Hi, in this video, I'm going to explain to you the difference between affiliate marketing and affiliate links. Yes, there's actually a difference between the two, and I'll explain in this video. All right, so affiliate marketing versus affiliate links. Is there a difference, and should you even care? The straight up answer is that yes, you should care and actually know the difference between affiliate marketing versus affiliate links. What actually triggered my investigation, I guess, my understanding of what the difference is because I was signing up to MailerLite, which is an email marketing service. I actually had to investigate because I wanted to do a review of MailerLite. I know for a fact that MailChimp do not allow affiliate marketing. So I kind of concluded that affiliate marketing is not allowed at all, but that would mean that like 50% of MailChimp users are basically going against their terms and conditions. So when I looked at MailerLite's acceptable use policy and terms and conditions, I'll head on to my screen here. You can see that appropriate content, you can't send affiliate marketing. So you can see that it's highlighted since I've searched this. And going down, there's actually a specific section about affiliate marketing and affiliate links. So let me read this out aloud for you. Affiliate marketing and affiliate links are two different things. Affiliate marketing is prohibited in MailerLite, but affiliate links are fine in most cases. So this is where the confusion lies. So moving on, we've got affiliate marketing prohibited. So it's a type of business where you earn a commission. Well, that's what affiliate marketing is, right? By promoting other companies' products. We don't allow this activity because there's no direct relationship between you and your subscribers. You are not allowed to send unrelated offers to your subscribers or pretend to be another brand. But let's move on and read further as to what affiliate links are. So affiliate links, which are allowed, is a way to recommend products or product or service to your subscribers in your campaigns. Advertisement for another company, affiliate link, can only appear under your branding and be clearly presented as a special offer from another company. Moreover, the offer has to be related to your content and meet subscriber expectations. You are not allowed to send emails with links to content that is prohibited in our terms of use, All right, so after reading that, I was still confused as to what's the major difference, So what I did was I contacted MailerLite, and here's their response. They're basically saying affiliate marketing as a business is prohibited on MailerLite. So that's the key phrase there, as a business. So if you have a business that solely is making money from promoting other people's products, then that is a no-no with at least MailerLite. But I'm assuming that also goes with MailChimp, who says affiliate marketing is prohibited. If your purpose for operating is to make money as an affiliate, regardless of whether or not you have tried, endorsed, or know the product, then you are unable to use MailerLite. So there we go. So they're reiterating that you can't do affiliate marketing if you're simply making money from it. But if you have your own separate business or blog and want to recommend a product, then affiliate links are permitted. So there we go. That's straight from the horse's mouth, and that's what they're saying. If you have your own business that's currently running, or if you have your own blog, and that's kind of all you need, I guess, then recommending a product is allowed under MailerLite's terms. So hopefully that's clarified the difference between affiliate marketing and affiliate links, because I know that not many people actually talk about the terms of use, and it's really up to you as the user to actually read through it and accept it. If you have any questions regarding anything I mentioned in this video, feel free to comment below and I'd love to answer. And by the way, if you enjoyed this video or found it valuable, hit that like button and subscribe to this channel below, making sure to turn on notifications so that you don't miss out on any future videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.